everyone, welcome to another talk show. I'm your host, ABC. Today, we are joined by YouTuber Bubblelina.
Hey everyone! So since we were talking about healthy eating, I was just thinking the weather is getting warmer and we all have the urge to eat popsicles and ice cream.
Exactly, and that brings me to today's topic. We are going to be talking about factors that influence your eating habits. Factor number 1 is
Temperature! Oh man, it's so hot outside.
I know, right? But I have the perfect solution. Ice cream.
That looks so great. Let's eat it!
Yeah.
Is there any more?
Oh no, we finished all of it.
All of it? What are we gonna do? I even have a skating competition tomorrow.
Oh no. Remember to eat healthier, especially if you have big activity coming up.
You'll need all the energy you can get during the hot weather, and eating healthier can have many other benefits.
Your diet should be balanced with fruits and vegetables, proteins, and whole grains.
Water is also the best drink because it protects your organs and tissues, and it regulates your body temperature, which is great for the summer.
That's right. So how do you think we should eat healthier? I'd love to know what I can do to be healthier, and I'm sure that our viewers would like to know as well.
Well, there are many options, but cooking at home can help limit the amount of processed food because you can control what you eat and what you buy. Looking at food labels can help limit the number of unhealthy foods because you know what's in that food and you won't buy the very unhealthy ones.
Hey, aren't you hungry? Let's go out for lunch.
I think that would be pretty good, but isn't it easier to cook and healthier to cook at home?
I mean, I guess we could. I have instant noodles. I haven't shopped in a while, and they're kind of the only thing I have right now.
It's okay. I guess they're really good. Let's go get some. So next time you shop for groceries, you should pick the healthier items, so then your whole house would be restocked with healthy items. But if you pick the unhealthy items, then your house is going to be restocked with unhealthy items. But eating instant noodles once in a while is a good treat, but eating it every day is not the right thing to do.
That's right. Instant noodles are definitely nice to have once in a while. In fact, most instant noodles are low in calories, but they're also low in protein. They're also very high in fat and sodium. So be sure to remember that next time you're cooking at home.
Hey guys, this is Kirkland's microwave popcorn. I've been enjoying it so much over the last few days, and I think it's absolutely delicious. And the best part is, it's healthy and tastes amazing.
Just like she just said, this Kirkland's popcorn is so healthy, and it's so easy to make. All you have to do is toss it in the microwave, and it's good to go. I absolutely love it, and it's the best for movie days. Actually, I think we might even go eat some today. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Keep on popcorning!
Look at this Kirkland's microwave popcorn.
That looks so great. You know, I think that would be perfect for a sleepover tonight.
Oh yeah,
Let's order some right now.
This is it, Kirkland's signature microwave popcorn. All I have to do is put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Oh my goodness, the popcorn. This is healthy and delicious. I can't wait.
Popcorn is ready. This will be perfect for a sleepover. Let me just try some. What? It tastes so buttery and so salty. How could this possibly be healthy? I should check the label. What? 82% of our percent daily value is fat. And there's a lot of sodium. This is not healthy at all.
Oh my goodness, Asta's right. This is so unhealthy. There's 490 calories? That's crazy. Oh, next time I'm gonna make my own healthy eating choices and find out the things that I know are healthy, and I'm gonna consult an adult before this.
Ugh. Now, a lot of our viewers are wondering how people can be influenced by things they see on social media. And you being a YouTuber, what do you think about that?
Well, just remember that everything you see isn't always true because you really aren't there. You're only looking at it through a screen. There are many ways that people can alter their appearances and make things look better than it really is. So if you think something looks too good to be true, then it probably is. But before you buy any products that you think are great, just remember, think clearly and remember to look over the choices and see if you really think it's worth it. And consult a trusted adult and see what they think.
Thank you so much for your insight on the topic. And I guess that brings us to the end of today's show. Thank you for joining me today, Bubblelina.
Thank you, it was a pleasure.
If you enjoyed watching this, make sure to subscribe to Bubblelina's channel to see more informative content.